And hi, I'm back again. This is Sahid. I'm super excited to be here. This is welcoming you back to our channel where we discuss everything migration abroad, infotainment, healthy lifestyle, classic shows, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that all-important notification so you don't miss out on our future videos. So what are we talking about today? Let's get down to business.
In today's video, we will be telling you about the latest various job opportunities to migrate to Australia with visa sponsorship and relocation assistance package as childcare workers, aged carers, care assistants, healthcare workers such as nurses, physiotherapists, radiographers, occupational therapists as well as psychologists, early childhood educators, childcare educators, teachers, stylists, mechanical service technicians, hairdressers, and chefs. Australia consistently ranks highly on global indexes for quality of life, healthcare, education, and economic freedom. With a low crime rate and high standard of living, Australia is such a great place to work, build a career, live and perhaps raise a family, with beautiful cities including Sydney, Canberra, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, Gold Coast, Newcastle, Hobart, Darwin, among others. Migrate and work in Australia's colourful major cities and stunning regional areas while you enjoy the flexibility to choose when and where you work, with a very competitive salary. As part of strategies to combat workforce shortages in Australia, which no doubt will take time, effort and a number of strategies in order to combat and stabilize, the Australian government is looking towards bringing foreign or overseas professionals to Australia in order to bridge the gap, including healthcare professionals such as physicians, nurses, childcare educators and teachers, caregivers, and so on. Australia particularly allows nurses to migrate under a special scheme that recognizes talent shortages in Australia. International nurses are able to obtain a working visa and also have pathways to permanent residency in the process. This therefore brings opportunities to countries such as Nigeria, India, Ghana, Philippines, China, South Africa, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Iraq, Uganda, Zimbabwe, Zambia, United Arab Emirates, Vietnam, Qatar, Kuwait, Jamaica, and so on. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel, like and share our videos with friends and loved ones. And let's be part of your success story. And to all our returning subscribers and followers, we say a huge thank you for being there always. So, what do you need to do? You will need to focus on jobs with advertisements that say visa sponsorship available or where it says the job is open to overseas candidates, perhaps many also with relocation assistance package. You are equally encouraged to visit the Australia Immigration website for more information on how to apply for a visa.
Here are the specific steps you need to take to apply to work, secure job and visa, then migrate to Australia. Number 1. Identify your target employers. There are many employers, including hospitals and many huge organizations that are actively recruiting overseas or foreign workers. Quite a number of these opportunities are with foreign worker visa sponsorship and relocation assistance package. You can search for more job openings and all the latest vacancies, particularly the ones with visa sponsorship for you and your family, and other incentives on websites such as au.indeed.com and seek.co.au and so on. Number 2. Ensure you prepare a tailor-made resume and cover letter highlighting your qualifications and experience. Number 3. Reach out to your target or potential employers directly once you have identified those employers, expressing your interest in working for them. Number 4. When all is said, you will then go on to apply for a visa via the Australia Immigration website via immi.homeaffairs.gov.au. Upload necessary documents and the visa application, get approved, and it will be time to fly to Australia. For some of the jobs, you will need to pay attention to the job requirements. For instance, in most of the opportunities for nurses particularly, you will need to have current Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency (AHPRA), nursing registration or a HPRA eligibility assessment for international candidates. Commit to quality patient care and outcomes for patients in your care. Have ability to work within the mission and values of the organization. Have enthusiasm for participation in a team environment with excellent customer service focus and communication skills. For details on how to register with the Nursing Council in Australia, kindly visit www.nursingmidwiferyboard.gov.au and/or opera.gov.au. Meanwhile, in the meantime, we have found visa sponsorship jobs and employers currently recruiting foreign or overseas candidates. The links to those jobs are provided in the description box. So, hurry now and apply immediately to get your foot in the door, secure the job, and start your Australian journey.
And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the latest various job opportunities to migrate to Australia with visa sponsorship and relocation assistance package as childcare workers, aged carers, care assistants, healthcare workers such as nurses, physiotherapists, radiographers, occupational therapists as well as psychologists, early childhood educators, childcare educators, teachers, stylists, mechanical service technicians, hairdressers, and chefs. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our future videos. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us at blsinfo360@gmail.com and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.